Hello guys, this is Peekaboo Kids. I'm Austin. Today I'm gonna teach you about math. Let's do it! Let's do the first question. 1 and 2 makes what? 1 for 1 circle, 2 for 2 circles. Now we have 1 circle in the box. And we need 2 more circles in the box. 1, 2. So how many circles in the box? 1, 2, 3. Then the answer is 1 and 2 makes 3. Let's move to the next question. 2 and 3 makes what? There are 2 balloons. So, we need to add 3 balloons. Next, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 balloons. 2 and 3 makes 5. Let's move on to the third question. 1 and 4 makes what? There are 1 cupcakes. We need to add 4 cupcakes. Let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 1 and 4 makes 5. Did you learn something about addition? If you want to see more, you make sure to subscribe. That's it for today. Bye bye.